Hi, welcome, bienvenidos. It's your girl Yessie, and I'm back with another video. For today's video, I'm going to be doing a look using the Colourpop times the Muppets eyeshadow palette. Now, I know this is not new, but when they came out, I had my 12 days of eye tutorials and I didn't want to interrupt my series, and so I waited to play with this palette. So that's what I'm going to be doing today. So yeah, if you're interested in seeing what I come up with, then just keep on watching. Hola amigas, besties. So in today's video, I'm going to be doing a look using Colourpop times the Muppets eyeshadow palette. It came out in early December, I believe, and I had my series going on and I didn't want to interrupt it, and so I decided to wait on using this palette because I wanted to try it on camera. And look at all the pretty colors that it has. So I feel very inspired to try a colorful look. I haven't done one in a while, so I thought, why not? So yeah, that's what I'm going to be doing today. So before I get started with the look, I've already done my eyebrows per usual with nothing new. I used the Anastasia Brow Wiz and the Anastasia Dual Powder, both in Ebony. Then I prime my lids and carve the bottom of my eyebrow with MAC Paint Pot in soft ochre. Now, oh my gosh, this might be a little nasty, but I do use it every day. But I hit pan. I'm sure you guys can see. I'm not sure if you'll be able to see, but it has a real small, tiny, dot. Like you can see the bottom of the jar. I'm so proud. I've been using this primer for, I want to say, a year, and consistently. So, wow. A year plus, and I already hit pan. So, and I'm pretty generous with my primer, so that says a lot. So it lasts a while. Wow. I think this is going to be my first eye primer that I finish. So yeah, I thought I'd share because I'm proud when I hit pan, because I'm getting my money's worth on the products that I buy. So thumbs up for me. Anyways, alrighty, so I'm inspired to do a colorful look. I'm looking at this palette and thinking, I kind of want to use the pinks, of course, but I think I want to do like a pop of green. I wanted to do pink and blue, but the blue is too dark for the pink, and I feel like doing bright colors. So I think I'm just going to stick to the green and the pink. So yeah. Let's get started. So I'm going to grab a blending brush. I am going to use the Morphe M441 blending brush, and I'm going to use the shade Bean Green, which is this nice bright green. And I'm going to use that shade in the outer part of the crease and bring it halfway on my crease. So I'm going to put it in the crease and I'm going to bring it halfway. So I'm just swiping back and forth, back and forth. Okay, now I'm going to grab a smaller blending brush, and I am going to, let's see, you go into the shade. Okay, so I think for the inner part, I'm going to use the Morphe M433, and I'm going to go into the shade Hot Holidays, which is this pinky shade right here. Now I'm gonna use that pinky shade in the inner part of the crease and where it meets with the green. So like so. And I'm gonna make sure to build that color so I can match the intensity of the green. It's been a while since I've done a colorful look, and looking at this palette and all these beautiful bright colors, I feel like why not, right? Now I'm going to go back with the M441 and I'm going to use that bean green color once again, and I'm just going to blend out the edges over here. I should get a smaller blending brush, but all my brushes are dirty and I really haven't had the chance to clean them. I've been super busy at work. Oh my gosh, so busy, so stressed that, you know, when I get home, I do, you know, what I have to do and like go to bed early. I've been so exhausted. So exhausted. But I am going to do it this weekend. I'm going to clean my brushes because I always feel inspired to do looks when my brushes are clean, surprisingly. But so I'm just bringing that shade up a little bit to help it blend. So like so. Alrighty, so what I'm going to do is I think I'm going to close it off over here using that bean green color. Like this, like so. And what I'm going to do, instead of using a primer to, like, you know, cut the crease and define it, I'm just going to leave it as is. And I am going to just use one of these eyeshadows to make the pink and the green pop. So let's see. So this is how I want to do it. Now I want to use a lighter shade in the middle to make it pop. And I think I want to go into the shade Icy Patch, which is this one right here. And I want to use it all over the lid. So, but before I do that, I want to go in with my, where is it? My glitter glue. So I'm going to use the McGrath Labs Intensify Artistry wand. And I'm just going to apply this just all over the lid where I don't have any eyeshadow. So I can apply that Icy Patch shade. Alrighty. So now I'm going to use, again, I'm going to go into the shade Icy Patch. And it's very glittery. And I'm bringing it all the way to the outer part of the eyelid. It has like a orangey green reflex to it. I don't know, it's a pretty shade, but it's definitely not icy by all means. It has like a warm tone, like, I don't know, pink orange reflex to it. I don't know. But now I'm going to go back in with the pink eyeshadow called Holidays with no additional product, and I'm just going to blend that pink into that shade just so there's no harsh lines. Now I'm going to use the green shade, Being Green, and I'm just going to run it through the crease just to make sure that everything is blended. Alrighty, so it should look something like this. Now I'm going to do this eye and then I'll show you how it looks together with both eyes done. Alrighty, so this is what both eyes look like. Now I'm going to do my eyeliner, and I'm going to be using the product that I used in my previous video. This is from iMethod Beauty. This is their eyeliner wing stamp, and I'm going to use it again just because this made it so easy to do wing liner. So I want to showcase it and obviously practice, because practice makes perfect, right? And yeah, I'm gonna use the right wing stamp, and I'm going to use this so I can obviously practice and show you guys, because I want to do a liner with this look. So let's see, what am I gonna do right here, like that. Now I'm going to use the liner part, and I'm just going to line it up with the wing. Easy peasy, right? So that's the one liner. Now I'm going to use the left stamp, and I need practice on this one because I do everything with my right. And last time I used it, this was a little lifted, so I need to learn my placement. I think I got it. Now I'm going to use the liner part and line it up. And voila. This came out a little wonky. Like I said, I have trouble doing my liner with this hand because I do everything with my right, so I guess I have to learn how to use my left hand. But anyways, this is as good as it's gonna get because I don't want to keep playing with it too much before I mess it up. But you see how easy it was to just, you know, do your liner? Awesome, right? Alrighty, so now I'm gonna jump off camera, finish the entire face, and then I'll come back to show you the final result. So stay tuned. Alrighty, amigas, so this is the final look. I love everything about this look. It's giving me like a starburst a moment. But yeah, I didn't add any eyeshadow to the lower lash line just because I think it would have been too much. And this is actually wearable. This is something I would rock in the summertime for sure. It's subtle, it's pretty, it's bright. So yeah, that's what I think. Not a fan of the lashes. These lashes are the Sephora Irresistible lashes, and maybe it's the way I applied them, I'm not sure, but this lash wants to keep down. This one is fine, but this one, I don't know, but this lash is making my eye look droopy, which is not cool. Alrighty, so that's all for me today. Thank you for watching. I really hope you enjoyed the look. Hope you're having a great day wherever you are. And as always, I'll catch you on the next one.